Hi, welcome to my shop. I'm Paolo Brada. Please remember to like, share and comment this video and subscribe to my channel.
Hi guys, today we restored this coffee table. First I take off the rust. Then I partially polished brass parts. I prepare and cut these old wooden planks. I glue the boards among them and I use silicone to glue them to the table. After 24 hours, I take off the clamps and I finish the plan. Finally, I paint with a transparent raincoat. Okay guys, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel for don't miss the future videos.